All right, crew at Agua, happy Friday. I just wanted to make a quick video for you on a couple things. One, when I'm looking at you guys are sharing screen or something like that, I noticed this from Shane, your web page seems to be zoomed in a little bit and it makes everything kind of run together and just makes it a little less clean. You can right click and zoom out, or at least to no more than 100%, and it'll look nice and clean like it does here on my screen. That's one tip. Second thing is, you guys were talking about the ability to add notes to calibrations and maintenance and why they weren't showing up the way you want them to. Before, when you were going into these, um, you were seeing event notes right here, and then you were going into edit equipment, and you were trying to edit these notes, and these are not the appropriate notes for the event. These are based on the specific piece of equipment that you're working on. So that's not how you do it, but I understand why you got to that point. So we've added an edit feature here, which we will set to roles as you see fit. But the way I want you to do it is come in and click edit. And you're going to see you're on Cal 40. This is going to stick to this event. So when the next calibration is set, Cal 41 or Cal 50, whatever it will be after you complete this one, the event notes will stick with it. And so you're going to come in here, you're going to change this to here's how to complete the calibration for this autoclave. And you're going to say step one, do this. Step two, then do that important thing. And then you put as many steps as you want. Finally finish it up with this other complex thing that we do. Whatever. I'm just trying to make you see how it'll look. And then maybe you want to put a reminder in here when changing the flux capacitor, make sure to use the thingamabob. Okay. Then you're going to update calibration notes. Remember, this is Cal 40. So now when you go into complete Cal 40 and you just click on that row, you're going to have the event notes here. Here's how to complete the calibration for this autoclave. Do this, then do that, all the stuff that we put. Your team can come in. They can complete it. They can put completion notes, which are different than the event notes. This is going to stick to this specific Cal 40 because they're going to say the thingamabob was used like a pro. You're going to add their documents, confirm it, submit it, and then it will save the new one. Okay, so edit button is here. You can also do it for maintenance. Here's a maintenance one. Again, I'm in a demo one, so this isn't going to look like yours, but you'll have all the information you need. Change your event notes to whatever you want, update it, and you are good to go. That's it. I wanted to run that by you guys. Thanks. If you have any other feedback, let me know. The other thing that we need to do yet is I'm going to add the when you do go into the get out of there. When you do go into the edit equipment, your status will be up here. The event notes will be tied to this and linked to this, so you'll be able to see them as we talked about. For now, that's not in yet, but I hope this helps. Have a good weekend. See you guys later.